You pick up your Android phone, calls ring, notifications arrive, yet the screen stays black even though the phone is on. If this happens to you, you're facing the Android black screen of death. No worries, let's see what causes the phone's black screen and how to fix it. Why is my phone screen black but the phone is on? 1. Installing incompatible apps, or apps with errors or viruses. 2. Overcharging the phone for extended periods. 3. Using an incompatible charger. 4. Encountering a serious Android system error. 5. Accumulated app caches that need clearing. 6. Physical damage to the device. 7. Loose internal connections. 8. Overheating or water damage. So, how to fix black screen on Android phone? Don't worry, there are 3 useful methods for you to fix the Android black screen of death problem. Let's check how they work. Way 1. Force restarting your Android phone. For most Android phone system problems, the easiest way is to force restart the phone to fix it. Note, ensure your device has enough battery power. Press and hold the power and volume down keys simultaneously until you see the Android logo. Way 2. Clearing partition cache. If the black screen is caused by data corruption, clearing the partition cache often resolves issues that cause the black screen. Here's how to clear partition cache on your Android device. First, turn off your Android device completely. Then, press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Depending on your device model, you may need to hold the volume down button instead. Continue to hold the buttons until the device logo appears and the screen displays the recovery mode menu. Next, use the volume buttons to navigate the menu options. Highlight Clear Cache Partition. After that, press the power button to select Clear Cache Partition. This will start clearing the cache. Once the process is completed, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Restart System Now option and press the power button to restart your device. By clearing the partition cache, you can often get rid of the temporary data causing the black screen and get your Android device running normally again. Way 3. Fix Android black screen by resolving Android system. In most cases, you may find it difficult to perform a factory reset when your Android phone goes black. This is because your Android phone may suffer from some system errors. In this situation, you need to use a professional Android system repair tool, iMobie Droid Kit. It can fix most Android system issues, like black screen, Android recovery mode not working, crashes, freezes, and boot loops, etc. What's more, with the powerful functions of iMobie Droid Kit, it can also offer you a complete solution for Android, including screen unlocker, system reinstall, data transfer and backup, etc. Step 1. Get the latest version of iMobie Droid Kit on your computer. Connect your Android device and tap on System Fix. Step 2. Once iMobie Droid Kit detects your device, click the Start button to continue. Step 3. iMobie Droid Kit will automatically match the PDA code of your Samsung device, works for most Android models too. Then, click Download Now to download the firmware. Step 4. After the firmware is downloaded, click the Fix Now button and follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into download mode. Step 5. Once finished, it will automatically start repairing your Android system. After completing the repair process, you will get the System Fixed Successfully page as shown below. All the system issues are fixed, and your Android device will be restarted. Hope you can solve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment down below. See you next time.